na kung mamamatay. Yung mata ko with chinks, kasabi smoking them chunks. I fuck a bitch, she call me daddy and getting me on some blow. She had that she ain't used to this pero nagsishow. Anong magagawa ko eh, kaya kong manapul. Getting up every day, this the thing that we play. We got the ounces, baby shorty got the strip pay. Tapos manok ay mamagay, pero for the fucking days formalities up we bringin para pwede ka magstay. What is that without the weed, and a weed without a life? Kung ang hopeful mag-succeed, then I'm ready for a fight. They be doing all the pinihimay, di matamlay. Mga puso ay bahala na kung mamamatay.
From the nega I be playing even though that I'm surrounded. Kicking to the bass in your face, who gonna land it? Blues on my wallet, stash on my pocket. For the love of money, mahihirap din na dagat. In your face, you walking crazy, and you're about to lose it. Pussy man need you just for us being exclusive. Para to kay epat sa anak niyang stupido. Pasabog-sabog sa Maynila, buong crew yung nakasmoke. What they asking, say, pakisagot mga tanga. When Amat's gonna hit me, merong pandala-dala. O palag ba talaga, o kaya mo ba tong dalhin? Fuck what you hear, do kaya mo ba tong gawin?
What is that without a weed, and a weed without a life? Kung ang couple mag-succeed, then I'm ready for a fight. They be doing all the pinihimay, di matamlay. Mga puso ay bahala na kung mamamatay.
There's no fucking valid reason for a prick that started acting. You've heard it all for once, the weed the kids your mama wanted. There's a blood that gon' be spit on your face. Concrete ghetto boys living to the highest a day. We ain't no losing none. Others acting fooling for blaze, but we be chillin' like big dogs that be tagging up straight. Pabilog tas pinaikot, bumalik inarangkada. Pedal to the floor, minandyahang damit mag-ara. Huminang para masilaw sa diamante na suot. Baby mama, you a fool kung iisipin na siguro. Shadow on my back, won't let me go, keep holding me cess. Sinungaling pag sinabi mo na up, it's time for the pets. If this the jungle in Manila, we the king of the cake. Blueprint na pinapakalat for modern days that we're slaves.